Hi there, my name is Mihir from GSM Exchange. Can you please introduce yourself and your company?
Myself is Mayank Mittal, and I'm the sales manager over here. Our company started before 3 years in India, and we have our office in Dubai as well, in the name of Mobile Impex FZCO. In Dubai, it's Mobile Impex FZCO. In India, it's Mobile Impex LLP.
Which major markets do you cater to?
Mainly, we are selling to Dubai only. We have customers all over from CIS country and Dubai, so we are selling here in Dubai only.
What are the brands, products, and services that you guys specialize in?
We are specialized in Apple products, iPhone, MacBooks, AirPods. Mainly we are doing iPhone, and sometimes we are doing Samsung and Xiaomi as well.
What kind of impact did the iPhone 17 release have to your business?
It was good for us because Hong Kong before it was 2 SIM, now there is 1 SIM. Japan before it was dual SIM, now it's eSIM. So in India it's good, like 1 eSIM and 1 physical SIM is good for us.
What are your business highlights from this year and what are your plans for 2026?
Like we are planning to grow more customers in other countries. Like we are planning to export in Europe, in other Middle East areas. Like now eSIM is moving, so we are planning to move and we are planning to expand our business in other region as well.
Why exactly did you choose to exhibit in GSMX Dubai 2025?
Yeah, GSM is a good platform. We are the exhibiting GSM since from last 2013, I guess. Yeah, so this is a good platform. We meet here so many suppliers, so many new customers. Even the old customer we can meet here. So it's like a meet and greet kind, and yeah, it's really helps in the business to grow.
How was GSMX Dubai for you? And what kind of business did you generate since day one?
The show was good. We have made plenty of deals, like 2,000 pieces we have sold in this GITEX. So we are looking forward to the new customer which we have met in GITEX. Now after GITEX, we will try to contact them. We try to make more deal with them.
From which countries did you find new prospects in terms of suppliers and buyers coming to your booth from?
Yeah, apart from Dubai, we are seeing country from Russia also. We are seeing people from US also. We are seeing people from Europe as well. In India as well. So many people are coming from India as well.
Where do you see your company exhibiting next?
I think we will participate in both of them. Let's see what happens.